Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, open services from the search bar. Then once we are here, we need to find out credential manager. Then right click on it and select properties. Then set startup type as automatic and click on apply, then OK. Once done, we need to close this window and simply move to the next method. That will be simply right click anywhere on your taskbar, then select task manager. On this window, select run new task option, then click on browse button, and once we are here, select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder, then find out system32 folder and simply double click on it to open it. Then find out cmd.exe file, simply select it and click on open. Now check this box, and so this will be our main path, and click on OK. Once we are here on this window, we need to execute two commands. So type all these commands carefully. Type in sfc /scan now and hit enter to execute this command, and this process will take some time, so we need to wait for it. Once done, type in dism/online/cleanup image/restore health and hit enter. So this process, this command also will take some time, approx 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window, and let's execute the last method. Type in system configuration in the search bar and click here to open it. Once we are here, select services and check this box, then select all these services one by one and click on disable all. Once done, click on apply and then OK, and simply we need to restart our system and your problem will be solved. You are good to go.